move out of the way.
So I'm gonna use now the Shark powered lift away complete rotator speed for cleaning our house, for vacuuming the carpet on the living room. So as you can see, you can choose carpet and hard floor. So I'm gonna choose the carpet because our carpet, our living room, the floor is carpet. So as you can see, I really love it because it's not so noisy and it's very light. And as a petite woman, I need a light equipment so that it will not be so hard for me to move around. Oh, my husband is playing. You're fine. Oh. Move the chair. This thing, the foot, I can adjust it anytime I want. Forward, backward, forward, backward. This is a very nice vacuum cleaner. It's because it eliminates the dust, the dirt, and if you have pets at home, oh my gee, all the hair of your pets that's on the carpet, it will be gone instantly. Then lift up the chair. one, but I need to clean the edges or the corners, the dirt on the edges and on the corners. I need to clean it very well. So this one, there's I'm gonna do the lift away. There's a button here. It said lift away. You can just push it. What? Well, I forgot how I'm gonna do this though. And then one release. One release. Look, when I said lift away, it's lift away. And it's so light. It's not so heavy for me. So I can just move around, clean the corner or the edges of our living room. So, and it's said here lift away and start button, so you can just push start. And if you don't want this, you can also add you can put the brush on here. You can use this one, the brush, or this one, but I think I'm just gonna use this. I don't want to add brush. I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm gonna click the story. Look. Corner. Every corner of the living room. It's just very easy. The edges. Clean, clean, clean. That's it. Edges, corners. It's very easy. Very convenient for me. So I love this. Edges. And this is very useful because if you can reach the ceiling, if there's dirt on it or dust, you can just use this like that. So I'm just gonna turn it off. Then put it back. It's very easy. So I'm done in the living room. I'm gonna do the dining room. The dining room is made of hard wood. It's a hard floor. So there's two options with this shark. Earlier is carpet, so right now I'm just gonna push it hard floor because I'm gonna clean our dining area that the floor is made of hard floor. So I'm gonna do it. So if you're new to my channel, I hope that you can click like, you can share it, and I hope that you can subscribe on my channel, and I hope that you can hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated of my latest video. And today is Sunday, I told ya, and I'm gonna do the general cleaning of our house, but I just show you with this very useful equipment. I've been using this for a while, the Shark Power Lift Away Complete Rotator Speed, and it is very convenient for me. It's very easy to use. It's not so noisy. It's so light, and I love this because of the lift away, because no need for me to use the step stool. I can just use this like that. So, and it's very convenient to use to eliminate the dirt, the dust, especially if you have pets at home, their hairy stuff, you know. It's so easy. So, dining area. You can put the cord in here. Dining area, our floor is hardwood, so hardwood in here. I'm gonna start now. Sweeping the floor. Just vacuum it. I'm just like playing. I am having fun. I enjoy this. Cleaning. Fun. It's fun time for me because it's not heavy. I'm not make sure that you will not get stumbled with a cord. That's why you hold it. Make cleaning as your one of your activities with your husband, like a bonding time together. So I'm done using the Shark vacuum cleaner. So you can see, you can choose the hard floor or it said here carpet. This one is hard floor or carpet. And then there are two brushes that you can use. This one or that one. And the cord, look at the cord. I put it in here. And it said here lift away. If you want to lift it away. This is the start button and the one release. And look at how full it is. It said maximum fill. It's really full already of dust, dirt, and hair. Especially my hair. Women. You know what I mean, right? So this is really a powerful vacuum cleaner. I am very satisfied with this one. The power speed lift away complete seal rotator speed shark brand. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, that's my review of the Shark vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoy my video, everyone, and thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Mwah. God bless. Bye for now.